Hi, I'm Mike Esposito, the inventor of the hands-free level, the Beny. I'm not an actor, I'm not a pitch man, I'm just a blue-collar worker who's an American that invented something. Just got common sense, and I found the reason to build this to help people when they're working alone with a level. Let me demonstrate it to you and show you the difference between my product and a post level, okay? People, this here, my Beny, can do twice as much as this post level. And I'll give you a quick demonstration right here. The post level. The Beny. It also can be put on a straight edge and give you the same reading as a Stabilia German level. This is American made. You can see from the indications that the Beny with a straight edge gives you the same reading as the Stabilia. This costs 10 times less than this here. All you need is the Beny and a straight edge. Again, the Beny can do that. This can't do that. It's going to fall off. That's one reason. Here's the Beny, the versatility, and the reason why the Beny is so versatile is this here. This thing right here is what we call the shark tooth. There's nothing like it. I own the patent on it, and that makes this the tool it is. So what? I'll demonstrate here. Here it is, right on a post. The Beny expands out to a greater distance too. As you can see here, watch how quickly I can attach this to here. And it holds it together. Okay, if indeed you have a post level, the post level can go on, but you got to do this with the post level. You have to put this on like this, hold the thing, get it on like this, come around like, you know, it's hard to do. With my level, it gives you 4 different vials. With this only gives you 3. Watch how quickly it attaches, like that. Again, this can't be held up. This will fall down. The Beny right there. There's a multitude of things that the Beny does that a post level doesn't do. So, go to our website, or go to Facebook, or even go to YouTube, and you'll see all the different things that the Beny does. Okay? Thanks for listening.